ka bang acne marks and hindi mo na alam yung gagawin mo? Marami ka ng products na na-try, pero hindi pa din nagwo-work. Disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist or a licensed esthetician. I'm just a skincare nerd na mahilig sa skincare, sa mga ingredients, sa mga routine, and I'm here to help you avoid the mistakes that I made. Okay, so bakit ba tayo nagkaka-acne? Ano ba ang cause nito? So it could be from excess oil, bacteria, from hormone, stress sa diet mo, or it could be coming from sa mga maling products na ginagamit mo. So, ano ba yung iba't ibang uri ng mga acne? So, meron tayong blackhead, whitehead, nodules, papules, pustules, and yung cystic acne. So, what causes acne marks? If you have acne, your skin is inflamed, and your body sees this as a damage, and it sends immune cells to repair it. And yung mga cells na yon ay nagproproduce siya ng melanin, and that is your skin's way of protecting itself from further damage. So, kaya after ng acne mo, nangingitim siya because of that melanin. So, how can we prevent acne or acne marks? Of course, it really has to start on the inside. As much as possible, avoid mo na yung mga sugary na mga products na kinukonsume mo. And you have to change your diet, eat healthier. And since na, if for example, meron ka ng acne, then all you can do is prevent it. For example, you can use yung mga nilalagay ng mga pimple patch sa face, and then mag-spot treatment ka din to lessen yung inflammation ng pimple mo, to lessen din yung acne marks. So you can use yung mga binibili sa Watson na mga pimple patch. If not, pwede ka din mag-spot treatment using yung sulfur or yung salicylic acid. So, pwede ka ding mag-double cleanse. So, use cleansing oil, especially if you're wearing makeup. And please lang, huwag kang matulog na may makeup. And then, you can use a foaming cleanser, salicylic acid, or benzoyl peroxide. Also, you can use products that can help fade acne marks like vitamin C serum, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, and retinol. And pinaka-importante sa lahat, mag-sunscreen ka in the morning. Kasi if you're not using sunscreen, wala ding magiging effect sa lahat ng mga nilalagay mo kasi you're not protecting yourself from the sun. And if gusto mo pang i-level up yung skincare routine mo, you can exfoliate 1 to 3 times a week using a chemical exfoliant like AHA and BHA. Huwag kang gumamit ng mga physical exfoliant kasi masakit yan sa skin. And if everything else fails, then you really have to consult a dermatologist na.